Find is enhanced functional programming, a benefit of Lambda expressions in Kotlin. Tired of messy code that's hard to read and debug? Our Kotlin's Lambda expressions provide a clear and concise that's easy to understand and much less error-prone. I'll show you how to harness the power of functional programming to write simpler, safer applications in less time. Lambda expressions are a core feature of functional programming, and Kotlin support for Lambda expressions opens up a whole new world of functional programming possibilities. With Lambda expressions, you can easily work with higher order functions, form functional transformations on collections, and embrace the functional programming paradigm. Furthermore, treating functions as values allows adopting functional concepts like deferred lazy evaluation, immutability and lack of side effects, and recursive functions instead of loops. This declarative style abstracts flow control away from stateful code, which reduces bugs. That being said, are you tired of those pesky runtime null pointer exceptions crashing your apps? Let us now take a look at another feature of Kotlin, null safety. With Kotlin's built-in null safety, you can say goodbye to worrying about NPEs. Instead, leverage the power of strict compile time checks to catch issues early while writing cleaner, safer code. Learn how Kotlin makes handling nulls simple and intuitive in this quick video.